How to fix the Wi-Fi or hotspot problem? First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that the Wi-Fi or hotspot you are connected to is actually working and has an active internet connection. You simply need to check by connecting another device to the same network. You can either test with another device as well. Try connecting another device to the same network to determine if the issue is with the network or your specific device. If this is not the problem, then make sure and try restarting your device. Simply hold the power button on your device and then you need to swipe towards restart. So, restarting the device can resolve temporary connection glitches. You can even power off and on your router or hotspot. This can often resolve network issues. After that, you need to disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi or hotspot. Simply, you need to get access to the quick settings section and tap on the Wi-Fi for a while and turn it back off. Wait for a few seconds and tap on Wi-Fi option and turn it back on. If using a hotspot, you need to try turning it off for a few seconds and then turning it back on. And you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you can or it might be related to your internet service. You can contact your internet service provider or mobile carrier for assistance and to ensure there are no outages on your area. So this troubleshooting steps should help resolve the issue of being connected to Wi-Fi or a hotspot without internet access. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.